Are high monthly bills and expenses causing financial stress in your life? If you find yourself living paycheck to paycheck and struggling to make ends meet, worry not. In this video, we will share valuable frugal living tips to help you break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and cut your grocery bill in half. But before we dive into the tips, let's take inspiration from a family that mastered the art of frugal living. Meet Steve and Annette Economides, also known as America's cheapest family. They went from struggling financially to becoming experts in saving money and cutting their grocery bill in half. The first step in overcoming financial challenges is to understand how high monthly bills can affect your financial health. From housing expenses to utility bills, each cost adds up, leaving you with little room to save or invest in your future. One of the biggest contributors to high monthly bills is grocery expenses. A significant portion of our income goes toward feeding our families, but with the right strategies, we can make a remarkable difference in our spending. To gain a clear understanding of your expenses, take a closer look at your monthly bills. Categorize them into essential and non-essential expenses. Essential expenses are those that are necessary for survival, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and groceries. Non-essential expenses are discretionary items like dining out or entertainment. By breaking down your bills, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and prioritize your financial goals. Now that you have a clear picture of your expenses, calculate your potential savings. Analyze your non-essential expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Saving even a few dollars on discretionary spending can add up over time. The concept of the latte factor, popularized by David Bach, suggests that small daily expenses, like buying a daily latte, can add up to a significant amount over a month or year. Consider how minor adjustments to your daily habits, such as making coffee at home, can free up extra money to allocate toward more meaningful financial goals. Now, let's explore practical and actionable tips to cut down your grocery expenses and start saving right away. The simple act of making a shopping list can be a game changer in your grocery shopping. Before heading to the store, plan your meals for the week, create a detailed shopping list, and discipline yourself to stick to it. Steve and Annette Economides recommend organizing your list by categories and sticking to your plan. Avoiding impulsive purchases can save you money and prevent food waste. Many grocery stores offer loyalty programs or rewards programs. Sign up for these programs to take advantage of discounts, coupons, and special offers tailored to your shopping preferences. By using loyalty cards, you can enjoy savings on your favorite items and receive personalized deals that align with your needs. Buying in bulk can lead to significant savings, but it's essential to do it wisely. Purchase non-perishable or frequently used items in bulk to lower the cost per unit. However, be cautious with perishable items or products you rarely use. Buying in bulk may lead to waste if the items expire before you can consume them. Moving on, let's explore more smart shopping and meal planning strategies to maximize your savings. Shopping for produce that's in season and locally grown can be more affordable and fresher than buying out-of-season items. Local farmers markets and community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs are great places to find fresh and affordable produce. By embracing seasonal and local shopping, you support local businesses while enjoying cost savings and healthier food options. Meal preparation is a frugal living superhero. Dedicate some time each week to prepare meals in advance, so you have ready-made options during busy days. Invest in reusable meal prep containers to store your prepared meals, reducing the need for takeout or eating out. Take advantage of technology to save on groceries. Use cashback apps, discount codes, and online deals to find savings on the items you buy regularly. Apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, or Honey can provide cashback or discounts on groceries and other purchases, putting money back in your pocket. When you come across a non-essential item that you want to purchase on impulse, follow the 24-hour rule. Give yourself a day to think about the purchase before making a decision. More often than not, you'll find that the initial desire to buy fades, and you can make a more rational choice with your money. Creating a grocery budget and sticking to it is crucial for cutting your grocery bill in half. Determine how much you can afford to spend on groceries each month and allocate the budget across different categories. By tracking your spending against your budget, you'll be able to identify areas where you may be overspending and make necessary adjustments. Reducing the frequency of your grocery shopping can help curb impulse buys. Plan your meals, create a shopping list, and shop for the week or even bi-weekly. Less frequent trips to the store mean fewer opportunities for impulse buys and less money spent on items you don't truly need. Frugal living doesn't end with grocery shopping. It extends to other aspects of your daily life, allowing you to save more and live more intentionally. Consider adopting a minimalist lifestyle, which focuses on living with fewer possessions and embracing a simpler, clutter-free existence. By reducing unnecessary purchases and consumerism, you can save money, create more meaningful experiences, and reduce your ecological footprint. Review your subscriptions and memberships regularly to identify ones you no longer use or need. Canceling unused or unnecessary subscriptions can free up more money for savings or essential expenses. Keep only the subscriptions that add genuine value to your life and align with your financial goals. Frugal living often involves do-it-yourself (DIY) solutions. Explore DIY alternatives for household cleaning products, beauty items, and simple home repairs. By making things at home, you not only save money but also reduce exposure to harmful chemicals found in some store-bought products. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive set of frugal living tips to cut your grocery bill in half and embrace a more intentional and cost-conscious lifestyle. Remember, small changes can lead to significant savings over time. Whether it's shopping with a list, meal prepping, or adopting a minimalist mindset, each step counts. If you found these tips helpful, we'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite frugal living strategies in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and insights. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. For personalized financial guidance, consult with a qualified professional based on your individual circumstances.